Hey, good morning, everybody. Hey, I wanted to show you the pretty much final product here. I mean, there's small little touch-ups needed, like maybe a half a day's worth of work here on 3rd Street. So I just wanted to give you guys the last little tour around it. When the weather permits, we have to come back and stain this deck. But we have some people potentially moving in tonight. I think in the last video I told you guys that I was going to keep this as a vacation rental, but ended up selling it to somebody. So they planning to move in tonight, and here's what it looks like. So just about everything's done. Got some extra supplies in there. This bathroom, I just realized this morning they forgot to put the hardware on. They didn't quite frame this bathroom narrow enough, so we had to kind of improvise here and trim this out with tile. Yes. Kitchen turned out awesome. We let the buyers pick out the pendant lights. Finally got a vent cover on that. These little things irritate me. And it looks like we need to find a little plastic piece for that clean out. So I mean, it's real super minor stuff. We had a professional cleaner come in over the weekend, then we realized that we forgot to actually supply this fan. So they came back and made a mess, but they got it installed. This bathroom is freaking awesome, and we forgot to install the hardware, so I laid it out here. Just super tall, lots of storage here on the side. And look at that shower. So I was told that everything is done with the plumbing. I have a plumbing inspector coming today. Obviously it's not done. Jesus Christ. So, don't ever get into flipping houses, ladies and gentlemen. It's a dumb idea. It's a really stupid, dumb idea. This is the washer dryer room. Look at that. Another deck out there. Anyway, I'm so done with this house. See you at the next one.